Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to discuss Jacobian. To understand Jacobian, you need to know about partial derivatives. In the last lecture, I have discussed partial derivatives. How to find the first and second order partial derivatives, it has been shown. Suppose x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. Here, x is a function of r theta and y is a function of r theta. In this case, del of x y by del of r theta is called the Jacobian, which is the determinant of del x, del r, del x, del theta, del y, del r, del y, del theta. So for x equals to r cos theta, del x del r is cos theta, del x del theta is minus r sin theta. For y equals to r sin theta, del y del r equals to sin theta, del y del theta equals to r cos theta. So the Jacobian equals to determinant del x del r, that is cos theta, del x del theta minus r sin theta, del y del r sin theta, del y del theta r cos theta. Now if we expand, then we will have r cos square theta and plus r sin square theta. So if you take common r, then cos square theta plus sin square theta is the identity, which is 1. So the Jacobian is r. Now let's say for x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, we have to find del r theta by del xy. For that, we need to know del r del x, del r del y, del theta del x, del theta del y. So let us find the relation between r theta xy. From these two equations, we can find r square as x square plus y square, then r equals to x square plus y square power half. And tan theta equals to y by x. Theta equals to tan inverse y by x. Now del r del x is half x square plus y square square root of and 2x. So this is x by square root of x square plus y square. Similarly, we will have r del y as y by square root of x square plus y square. Now, theta equals to tan inverse y by x. So, del theta del x is 1 by 1 plus y square by x square into y into 1 by x square, and there is a minus sign. So it is minus x square will be cancelled, y by x square plus y square. Similarly, we can find del theta del y, which is 1 by 1 plus y square by x square. 1 by x will remain as it is, and del y of y is 1. So we have x by x square plus y square. Now let us write del r del x as x by square root of x square plus y square, x by square root of x square plus y square, del r del y equals to y by square root of x square plus y square, and del theta del x is minus y by x square plus y square minus y by x square plus y square, and del theta del y is x by x square plus y square. So the Jacobian is determinant del r del x by square root of x square plus y square, del r del y by square root of x square plus y square, del theta del x minus y by x square plus y square, del theta del y x by x square plus y square. If we expand it, then we will have x square divided by x square plus y square power 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2, minus minus plus y square divided by x square plus y square power 3 by 2. So if we do the LCM, then we will have x square plus y square power 3 by 2, and above it is x square plus y square. Now if we cancel x square plus y square, and below x square plus y square, then we will have 1 by square root of x square plus y square, which is 1 by square root of r square, that is 1 by r. Next question, if u plus v equals to x and uv equals to y, then find del xy by del uv. So we have to find del x, del u, del x, del v, del y, del u, and del y, del v. X equals to u plus v here, and y equals to uv. So del x del u is 1. Del x del v equals to 1. Del y del u equals to v. Del y del v equals to u. Now let us find del of xy by del of uv, which is the determinant del x del u del x del v del y del u del y del v. So this is nothing but 1 1 v u. So this is u minus v. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.
For admission and course-related enquiry, please visit college website http://www.svist.org/